In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to test a funnel in ClickFunnels. Whether you're new to ClickFunnels or looking to refine your approach, understanding how to effectively test your funnel is crucial. So, let's dive into the step-by-step process to ensure everything is functioning as it should before you go live. First, we need to navigate to your funnel within ClickFunnels. Once you're there, it's important to locate the Settings tab. This tab holds the key configurations for your funnel, allowing you to make tweaks that ensure everything runs smoothly. Take a moment to find it. A simple step, but fundamental to our testing process. Now, let's talk about toggling live mode off. This is often referred to as sandbox mode. By toggling this setting, you create a safe environment to test your funnel. This ensures that any transactions processed through your funnel during this period don't result in actual charges. It's like a virtual rehearsal for your funnel where you can see how everything plays out without any financial risks or surprises. Once you've found the option for live mode or sandbox mode, go ahead and toggle it off. This action will switch your funnel into test mode. Think of this mode as a playground where you get to check every link, button, and call to action. It's also an excellent opportunity to spot potential issues, such as broken links or incorrect redirects, that could otherwise affect the performance of your funnel. After you've toggled the mode off, click on the Update Funnel button. This step is crucial. It saves the changes you've just made, ensuring that your funnel operates in test mode. It's important to remember that until you click this button, any adjustments remain unsaved, and your funnel won't be in the test mode you need for this phase. Now that your funnel is set up for testing without real transactions, you can fully immerse yourself in the testing process. Go through each step of your funnel as if you were a customer. Check how the pages load, whether the links function correctly, and if the calls to action are appealing and clear. Consider it your opportunity to put yourself in your customer's shoes, ensuring everything operates seamlessly and is visually appealing. Feel free to repeat this process as many times as you need to refine the journey. Testing your funnel in this environment before going live is invaluable. It allows you to identify and resolve any hitches, ensuring a smooth experience for your customers once the funnel is officially live. And there you have it, a simple yet effective guide to testing your funnel in ClickFunnels. By following these steps, you'll ensure everything is in top shape before presenting your funnel to the world. Testing might take some time, but the peace of mind and improved customer experience it provides are well worth the effort. Thanks for watching, and happy funnel testing!